MATCO MT2875R 3-inch flex head cutoff tool. The flex head design provides greater access into tight areas with 25 degrees of flex up or down. Unlock the lever, adjust to desired position, and lock the lever back down. A reversible design throws sparks in the direction you need them to go. Simply turn the knob to change direction. A 0.75 horsepower motor provides more power than the competition, allowing for faster cuts through metal. More control is built in with the smooth sliding variable speed throttle combined with the high-low regulator dial. A low-noise design with muffled exhaust rotates 360 degrees to direct it away from the work. Composite grip material insulates your hand from cold air during extended use. The all-metal disc guard is easily rotated 360 degrees to get it positioned to capture sparks and access tight locations.
Irwin have developed an innovative range of screw and nut drivers. When tradesmen want performance and functionality, they reach for the best. Introducing Irwin's Extending Multi-Bit Driver, the right tool for those hard-to-reach places. Extend your reach with the new Extending Screwdriver featuring a shaft that extends from 5 to 11 inches. The quick locking mechanism locks the shaft every inch for 7 different lengths that provide more options to finish any job. By adjusting the length of the shaft, the Irwin driver can be used in tight and hard-to-reach places. The Irwin Extending Driver uses insert and power bits for the ultimate in speed and functionality. This new extending driver features a 3-zone comfort grip that provides a firm hold and more driver control. The new Irwin Extending Driver combines the ease, durability, and innovation to tackle any job.
The Madison Electric Products SmartBox Shark Tooth Fixture Box is the latest innovation from the Sparks Innovation Center. The Shark Tooth is the first of its kind fixture box that actually cuts its own hole for mounting. The Shark Tooth is UL listed and features our patented integrated hole saw and a 9/16 lug for easy installation. The included hole saw cuts a perfect hole every time, and the swing clamps make secure mounting a breeze. Using your cordless drill and a 9/16 driver, place the pilot guide pin on your center mark. As you start to drill, be sure to angle the box 5 to 7 degrees and let the Shark Tooth's built-in hole saw do the rest. Once the perfect hole is cut, discard the saw blade. Run your wire through the built-in non-metallic wire clamps and place the fixture box in the hole. Once the box is properly seated, tighten the 3 swing clamps to safely secure the fixture box to the drywall. As with all SmartBox products, all 832 device holes are machine threaded and non-metallic cable clamps are built right into the design. The Shark Tooth is ideal for pendant lighting, smoke detectors, wall sconces, and all small fixtures.